before going green, I'm going to focus on some suggestions of how the university can go towards a more sustainable position. So by implementing new activities, changing some procedures, and the collaboration of the students and the staff involved in this organization. So first of all, why do we all consider that sustainability is important? Most of you will say, okay, we want to live in a planet with less pollution, we want to take care of the living beings and the nature, but especially for us that we are business students, what we want is to save money. Money is very important in the business, and especially in organizations like institutions like the universities or businesses. So in this presentation, I'm going to focus on ways to save energy, especially in saving electricity. So there are lots of ways to reduce electricity consumption, and most of them are quite easy to implement and quite obvious. And they can provide substantial savings in terms of kilowatts and thus in terms of cost. So one idea is that we can switch off the electricity flow in devices like computers and printers, like in the first session, in the lecture session was said. So it was a great idea, and it can reduce the consumption to a minimum of the electricity in the off-peak hours. And there are other methods related to computers. One is that we can adjust the bright of the monitors in order to show the pictures with less bright, reducing the energy. And moreover, all the monitors should be LCD or LED, as they use between 50 and 70% less energy than the conventional ones. And continuing with the light issue, I think that a good improvement would be to change the conventional bulbs for LED bulbs. The LED bulbs last 50,000 hours, that means 12 years in 12 hours per day, while the conventional bulbs only last 1,500 hours. So LEDs, moreover, have 100% efficiency since the moment they are turned on, and they have less expenses in terms of substitution and maintenance. So the savings are up to 90% in the electricity invoice. Moreover, they also have less heating emissions, so they contribute to a more sustainable environment. I think that another idea is to put special bins for recycling the bulbs in the university and the library. As you can see in the image, you put the bulb and then you can choose a reward. An interesting reward can be some points for getting discounts at the Mensa, since students, I think that we are very interested in getting lower prices. And another measure can be to book a class online. That means that, for example, if classes are not in a lesson to be taught, or a group of students doesn't book the class via online for doing any specific project, that the class will be closed, so no one can enter, and the lights will be turned off and the computers not being used. And finally, I think that the acquisition of knowledge about this issue is very important, so I propose to create a new skills course based on sustainability, where people can be more conscious about the situation and propose new ideas for improving the facts with these facts. So it was nice to present this, and thank you very much.